The summer music seminar at the Bangalore Conservatory is one of the best ways for aspiring musicians to gain a solid foundation in their study of music. SMS began in 1998 as an 11-week program to train young people in church music leadership and for professionals who didn't have that kind of time and flexibility in their schedules to engage in a full 4-year degree program, but still wanted to acquire quality training and skills in music.
Over the years, the SMS has developed into an intensive 6-week program, providing students with the opportunity to immerse themselves in the study of music in an environment where they are inspired, challenged, and supported by faculty members and fellow students.
The curriculum explores the crucial foundations of music theory, music history, ear training, class keyboard, choir, and bells ensemble. We also provide practical hands-on instruction in the instrument of specialization, where students can select from either piano, voice, guitar, or drums.
Upon successful completion of the SMS course requirements, students are eligible to join the Bangalore Conservatory's 4-year degree bachelor program. The skills and concepts learned in SMS are the starting point for all the coursework in the degree program.
The Bangalore Conservatory is a diverse and vibrant community where students are nurtured not only in their musical pursuits, but also in their personal and spiritual growth. Every morning, the entire community comes together for a chapel session, a time where students get a break from their studies and enjoy a time of worship, prayer, and learning together from the Bible.
We invite you to come and join us at the Bangalore Conservatory, where we are building people to build a better world through music.